Oke, students, good morning. Welcome to our Zoom meeting. Hari ini kita belajar bahasa Inggris kembali. How are you today?
How are you, ma'am?
Okay, Fatwa, how are you, Fatwa? Raya. Or anybody who wants to lead the prayer? Yes, please.
Saya aja, ma'am.
Okay, yes, please.
Before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Start. Amin. Finish.
Okay, thank you very much, Soraya. Yes, class, please
Thank you, ma'am.
mute all the microphone, okay? Please mute all the microphone, okay? Tolong di-mute semua mikrofonnya supaya kita mulai pembelajarannya, okay? Let me mute all of you. Okay, wait ya. So, I have sent the link of our attendance list. Please kindly check, okay, your WhatsApp group. Jadi, Mem sudah berikan link untuk our attendance list. Silahkan kalian buka link dari absen tersebut dan silahkan mengisi absen di link yang sudah Mem sediakan. Okay. Okay, students, so here is the link of our attendance list. Don't forget to fill this link as your absence. Jangan lupa nanti untuk mengirim link absennya ke link Google Form ini yang juga sudah mengirim melalui WhatsApp group dan juga blog kita. Okay, class? Right, students, I always remind you to apply the health protocol. Jangan lupa untuk selalu menerapkan protokol kesehatan. Jangan lupa memakai masker, menjaga jarak, dan selalu mencuci tangan. Okay, students, so today our topic is notice. So I would like to ask you about this picture. Okay, students. So whenever you want to go to some places, I believe that you often see this picture or sign, okay? According to you, if you see this picture of sign, okay, what will you do? Will you just enter the room without paying attention to this sign? Or will you what? Oke, kira-kira apa sih? Apakah kalau melihat tanda ini, apakah langsung masuk saja, nggak usah diperdulikan, atau apa? Oke? Yes, please. Yes, very good answer. Yes, correct. So whenever you see this sign, okay, you have to sanitize your hands first. Jadi kapanpun melihat gambar ini, harus selalu menyemprotkan ataupun memberikan cairan pencuci tangan ataupun cairan hand sanitizer sebelum masuk ke dalam ruangan. So it is correct. So students, tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini adalah setelah mengikuti proses pembelajaran dengan pendekatan saintifik dan model pembelajaran problem-based learning, peserta didik diharapkan mampu menganalisis, membandingkan, dan mendesain, serta menyajikan teks khusus dalam bentuk pemberitahuan notice, sesuai dengan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan, dan menunjukkan sikap perilaku jujur, disiplin, dan bertanggung jawab, serta mencapai nilai KKM 75. So, this is the benefits of learning this material. As we know, sebagaimana yang kita tahu, that COVID-19 nowadays is very dangerous. Okay, most of the people get infected by the COVID-19. Ya kan? Banyak orang yang sudah terinfeksi dengan COVID-19. Government also tries to find a vaccine, okay, to make people recover from this disease, okay, or virus. Jadi sekarang ini sudah banyak penelitian-penelitian yang dilakukan untuk bisa segera mengatasi pandemi COVID-19, ya kan? As we know that China nowadays has found one application that can detect, okay, the COVID-19 as soon as possible. So, perkembangan teknologi khususnya dalam bidang ilmu pengetahuan masalah COVID ini sudah sangat maju. Jadi, many researchers, scientists, okay, banyak ilmuwan yang sekarang sedang meneliti, ya kan? How can we find the solutions to the COVID-19, ya kan? Right, class. So, Let's watch the video, okay, before we start the lesson, okay? Okay, class, so to make you more understand about what notice is, supaya lebih paham apa itu notice, Mem akan putar video, and then from this video, dari video ini nanti Mem akan meminta respon kalian tentang video. Okay? Please watch the video. Please mute all your microphone. Sambil menunggu video yang diputar, jangan lupa mikrofonnya di mute ya, nak. So this is the video when the pandemic starts in Indonesia last year. And then our school is temporarily closed. So how can we protect ourselves from this virus? See some tips, okay? So the first is practice good hand hygiene, okay? Wash your hands regularly. Okay, jangan lupa selalu mencuci tangan. And then the second, practice social distancing. Selalu menjaga jarak, at least 6 feet, okay? Minimal 2 meter. And then avoid crowd, selalu menghindari kerumunan. And then the third, wear a mask, okay? You can use surgery mask or a cloth mask. And then see this condition. This is our school, SMP Negeri 1 Atap 2 Payung. And then our school is closed. You do online class. You just come once in a week to submit your homework. See the situation, right? Most of you do not wear masks or wash your hands before entering the room. Okay. Yep, okay. Okay, students, have you seen the video? Sudah melihat videonya?
Sudah, Ma'am.
Okay. Okay, class. So from the video, okay, you see that most of you do not wear mask. Tidak pakai masker ke sekolah. Padahal kata pemerintah harus selalu apply health protocol, ya kan? Wear mask, apply social distancing, and then wash hands. Why do you think that students do not wear mask or wash hands? Kenapa orang nggak pakai masker ke sekolah kita? Tidak cuci tangan. Why? Anybody knows?
Saya, Ma'am.
Yes, please, Natasha.
Karena mereka lupa, Ma'am.
Oke, forgot. Karena mereka forgot. Oke, ada lagi? Novita, turn on your ya. Oke, Novita?
Karena di gambar itu tidak ada tanda untuk mencuci tangan dan pakai masker, Ma'am.
Oh, okay. Very good, Novita. Good, Natasha. Okay, because people forgot, katanya. And then because there is no signs, ya kan? At our school. Tidak ada tanda apa-apa di sekolah kita yang mengingatkan orang untuk selalu wear mask, wash hands, ataupun practice social distancing. Very good, ya kan? Karena tidak ada tanda-tanda itu. It means that it is very important for us to create a notice in the school. Yes. Okay, class. So, is there any question about this topic? Ada yang mau ditanya? Okay, students. So far, is there anything that you want to ask from the video about notice? Yes? Is there any question?
Saya, Ma'am.
Yes, please, Natasha.
Bagaimana cara notice dalam
Bagaimana cara
bahasa
membuat...
Inggris, Ma'am?
Oh, bagaimana cara membuat notice yang benar? That's your question? Itu pertanyaannya, Nak?
Iya, Ma'am.
Okay, very good question ya kan? Pertanyaan yang sangat bagus. So how can we create a very good notice in English? Good question, bagus pertanyaannya. What elements ya kan? Apa saja yang harus kita buat? Elemen-elemen apa saja yang kita perlukan untuk bisa membuat notice dalam bahasa Inggris? Yes, very good question. So, to make you more understand about the notice, I will give you the worksheet and then you will discuss, okay, the answers of this notice with your groups. After that, we will see the result of your discussion. Okay, Mem akan bagi kalian ke dalam grup. Nanti dalam grup itu silahkan bekerja sama untuk mencari informasi melalui blog yang sudah nanti Mem sediakan. Okay, right. We are going to present the first worksheet. Nanti kita akan presentasi worksheet yang pertama. Oke, nanti ada yang membaca, hanya tinggal duduk saja dan mendengar. Oke, nanti sebentar ya Nak, kita apa dulu ya, karena tadi Mem lupa merecord. Oke, right now we will come back to the main room. Kita kembali ke main utama. Oke. Kelas. Now let's come back to the main room. Okay, I will close all the room. Okay, I have come to every rooms. Okay, and then now it's time for you to discuss or to present the result of your discussion.
Guys,
please mute all the microphone because we are going to discuss the first worksheet. Okay, so the worksheet can be downloaded, okay, in the Google form, okay. So please enter this link. Okay, let me open the Google form to you so that you can see the questions here. So actually, it is the questions that I have put in the Google form. Yes, wait a minute. Yep. Okay, while waiting to open this one, okay, who wants to present the result of their first worksheet? Grup mana yang mau mempresentasikan worksheet mereka yang pertama? Yes, any volunteer class?
Ini, grup 1.
Yes, please, group 1. Very good, group 1. Yes, please, group 1. The analysis of the 4 notices. Can you please read the result of your analysis? Yes. Yep.
So the social function of the first notice is to comment.
To comment, okay. Next, the second.
Notice 2 to forbid.
Okay. Notice 3.
Notice 3 to inform.
Okay, good. Notice 4.
And the fourth is to forbid.
Thank you very much. Okay. What do you think other groups about their performance, about their result? Ada komentar untuk temannya?
Group 1 is very good, ma'am.
Okay.
Jawaban mereka benar.
Okay, it is similar with you, sama dengan jawaban kalian?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Now let's go to the generic structure. Whose group? Yes, please. The group that wants to present the generic structure of these 4 notices.
Saya mem dari grup 4, mem.
Okay, yes, please. Group 4.
Notice 1, 2, 3, 4 itu generic structure-nya attention, gather, and information.
Okay, attention, gather, and information. Okay, where do you get those answers? Dari mana kamu dapat jawabannya? Now, from the blog or from your discussion?
Of course, from group discussion, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much. Right, now let's see the language features. Whose group? Language features. Language features. What about group 1? Group 1 and group 3, yes, please.
May I, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Text 1 and 2 have similarities in the generic structure is attention, gather, and information.
Oh, wait there. Okay. So the language features. We are talking about the language features there. The language features of the 4 notices.
May I answer the question, ma'am?
Yes, please, Bella.
The language features, there are imperative and declarative, ma'am.
Okay, imperative and declarative. Okay, good. Okay, the answers are correct. Okay, so social function, generic structures, and then language features. Good answers. Okay, what do you think about Bella's answer? Gimana pendapat kalian tentang jawaban si Bella?
Setuju.
Ya, ma'am.
Okay,
Sama dengan grup kami, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Similar with your group. Thank you very much. Okay. Yes, students. So the analysis, okay, of these 4 notices, okay, what you have said before, okay, correct. Okay, the social functions to command, to forbid, and to inform, and then the generic structures, okay, attention, gather, and information. Good job. Now, class, let's go to the second worksheet. Okay. I will stop the screen first because I will assign you again into the breakout room. Yes, so please discuss the second worksheet, okay, in the group discussion, okay. Yeah, and then I will come to every groups to see the discussion. I will go to group 4 now. Any problem? Rahel and Soraya, Santa, any problem?
No, ma'am. So far, so good.
Okay. Can you find similarities and differences?
Udah, ma'am. Udah dapat kok.
Okay. I will go to other groups, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Diam apa?
Please mute your microphone, okay? Now I will come to the group 1. Group 1. Now, nanti kita sudah masuk di LK kedua ya, Nak. Nanti yang membandingkan similarities and differences, okay? Just directly read it, okay? Yep. Okay, now we will come back to the main room, okay? Kita akan kembali ke ruang utama, okay? Okay, class, so I will stop the breakout room. Now it's time for you to discuss the result of your discussion, okay? I have come to the group 1, group 2, and group 3, 4. Okay, let me close the rooms now. Okay, please mute all the microphone here because we will start to discuss the second worksheet. Okay, mute all the microphones. Thank you. Okay, let me share now the second. Please mute all the microphones, class. Okay, let me close it. Okay, let's go to the second worksheet, okay? In this worksheet, you will analyze, and then after that, you need to find similarities and differences between the two notices. Okay, please wait for my slide. Okay. Okay, yep, this is the slide. Wait a minute. Yeah, as usual, okay, you can find, okay, the questions in the Google form. Don't forget, okay, to fill the answers here, okay. I will check your answers one by one, okay. Nanti ada penilaiannya, nakku, so don't forget to do it, okay. Right, class, so have you finished discussing about the second worksheet? Whose group now? The group that wants to present the result. Yes, please. Yes, please, group 1. Okay. Group 1.
So the first text and the second text have the similarities in the generic structure.
Okay, in the generic.
The similarities is attention gather and information.
Okay, Connie, next. What about differences? Can you find the difference?
Teks 1 memiliki social function to inform, language features declarative.
Okay.
Sedangkan teks 2 to forbid, language-nya feature imperative.
Okay, thank you very much, Connie. Good answer. What do you think about Connie's answer? Okay, about group 2's answer. Any comment, class? What do you think about Connie's answer?
The answer is good. Sama-sama kayak kami menjawabannya.
Okay, the answer is good. What about Connie's performance? Apakah pronunciations-nya Connie sudah benar?
Struktur, ma'am.
Struktur. What?
Bukannya harusnya structure, ma'am.
Yes, thank you very much, Rahel. Okay, Connie. So once again, okay, next time you have to say generic structure, not struktur. Okay, that's the suggestions from your friend Rahel, ya. Jadi sudah dibilang sama Rahel, structure. Thank you, Rahel. Okay, yes, class. So these notices, okay, the first is to forbid, and then the second is to command. Okay, it's correct, ya kan? Bisa nampak sama-sama kata-katanya ini menggunakan imperatif, ya kan? Dia menggunakan kalimat perintah, but different, berbeda dalam social function. Yes, very good. Okay, right. So students, now I will give you brief explanation, okay, about notice, okay, because you have done the first and the second. Sudah ngerjakan yang pertama dan yang kedua. Now see this video, okay, in Animaker. Mem ada buat video penjelasan singkat. Okay, please watch. Wait a minute, okay? Okay, what's the problem here? Let me. play to you. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay, the notice is the topic. Okay, what is notice? It's a written statement placed in public areas. Okay, to give information or to comment. The generic structure, attention gather, and information. And then it uses declarative and imperative. Social function to inform, to comment, and to forbid. Yes. So class, okay, what you have answered, okay, in the first and then second worksheet, okay, are correct, okay. So notice like what I have said before, okay, it is close to our condition nowadays, okay. As you can see, okay, COVID-19 is not over yet, okay. So we have to make people aware by putting some signs, okay, by creating notice. Supaya orang aware, kita bisa memberikan notice, ya kan? And then the technology nowadays, kita lihat, right? How the government tries to solve the problem of this pandemic, ya kan? Dimunculkan beberapa teknologi untuk to detect, okay, the COVID-19, okay, lebih cepat, ya kan? Menggunakan aplikasi-aplikasi yang sekarang bisa langsung mendeteksi COVID dengan cepat. Dan juga apa? There are so many technologies, okay, that can make us, okay, get clear information about COVID, ya kan? Disediakan sekarang banyak informasi yang bisa membuat orang lebih mengerti dan paham tentang COVID-19, ya kan? So, I think this information is very important for us, okay? Kita penting untuk tahu tentang gejala COVID, okay? Solusinya, okay, the technologies that we can use, okay, to stop, okay, the COVID-19. So students, so far do you understand about the first, the second, and then about the notice itself? Sudah paham nakku tentang apa itu notice sejauh ini?
Sudah, Ma'am.
Okay, right. Okay, so if you have understood about what notice is, okay, the generic structure, the language features, okay, and then also the social function. So it's time for you now to design, okay, a notice. Kalian akan mendesain sebuah notice using Canva application. Kalian akan menggunakan aplikasi Canva. Kita sering pakai ini kan. Previously, we use this application to create a simple invitation. Kita pakai kemarin untuk membuat kartu undangan sederhana. So I believe that you can use Canva again, okay? There are so many free templates, okay, in the Canva. Ada banyak templates yang kamu bisa langsung gunakan, okay? Dan juga yang berhubungan dengan COVID, jadi nggak sulit, okay? And then design your notice as creative as you can, semenarik mungkin, okay? Using font, using color, and then using pictures. Jadi desain semenarik mungkin, use your own teknik, gunakan teknik kamu dalam merancang notice yang kamu mau, okay? Jadi bagaimana supaya notice-nya nanti bagus. As your guidance, ini adalah contoh notice yang sudah membuat melalui Canva. So it is very easy. So I put here school notice, okay? I use the font here, saya menggunakan font tertentu, and then color, I use red here, supaya orang attention gather-nya cepat. And then I put picture here, school, supaya menunjukkan bahwa notice-nya ini di sekolah. And then I put information. All students must practice social distancing. And then I put the picture of boy and girl here, right? Very easy. Ini cepat sekali, oke? Okay? Jadi mem yakin kalian akan bisa mendesain notice. Jadi sekreatif mungkin, rancang dengan teknik sebaik mungkin, oke? Okay? I give you 5 minutes, oke? Okay? Setelah itu, yang selesai langsung kirim ke WhatsApp-nya mem. Nanti mem akan tampilkan hasil dari notice yang sudah kalian buat, oke? Okay? You can wait now.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I give you 5 minutes, okay? Now you can go to Canva application Langsung ke aplikasi Canva, oke. Langsung didesain, oke. Gunakan skill seni kalian sebaik mungkin, oke. Rancang dengan teknik yang kamu mau buat, oke. Setelah itu nanti mem akan lihat siapa yang sudah selesai, oke. Sambil melihat, if you have problem, please ask me, oke. Yes, please, oke. Wow, I have got it here. Ada yang bertanya cara warnanya bebas, free, oke? The color is free, oke? Warnanya bebas, nak. Oke, tulisannya juga bebas. As long as it is about to instruct, command to forbid, oke? Attention gather information. Asal dia untuk to inform, to instruct, oke? To forbid, oke? Correct. Ada dia nanti attention gather-nya, ada nanti dia bentuk information-nya. Oke? Gambarnya bebas, mau buat gambar apa saja boleh. Oke? Yes, thank you. Next, oke? If you have problem, you can ask me directly in the Zoom or in WhatsApp. Okay, I have got here the questions. Yes, using a free templates, ya. Oke, Rahel, jadi menggunakan free template saja yang ada di Canva yang seperti kita pernah pakai untuk membuat invitation. So you just need to create, oke? Nggak terlalu lama lagi karena templates-nya sudah ada, hanya tinggal menaruh kata-katanya saja. Oke, so is there anyone who finished? Let me see. Oh, okay, I have got a message here. Let me share for you, okay? From Rahel, oke, Rahel. Coba kita lihat apakah notis si Rahel ini sudah benar ya. Oke. 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 Ya, let me see. Please wait a minute. I will show you the notice that Rahel created. Okay. Yep. Okay, please wait a minute. Okay. Okay, please wait, class, okay? Somehow we got problem with the connection, okay? But it's okay, right? Yes, it's almost open. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is from Rahel and Soraya. Okay. I got two messages. Okay. Let me open one only. Okay. Mem tunjukkan satu saja sebagai contoh. Apakah sudah benar atau belum? Okay. 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 Wow. Okay. Let me see the. Okay. Can you see the notice from Rahel? Bisa dilihat notice dari si Rahel? Not chat?
Belum bisa, ma'am.
Okay, or from Soraya. And then Bella also has send the notice. Very good, class. Oke, sudah ada 3 yang selesai. Good. Cepat ya, karena in Canva, we just need to fill the free templates. Karena di Canva itu dia tinggal free saja. Oke, students. Oke, yes please. This is the notice from Soraya. Yes please, Soraya. Can you please read your notice?
Iya bisa, ma'am. School notice was hands before entering the room.
Okay, so how do you create your notice? Apa saja yang kamu tambahkan dalam mendesain notice? Can you explain? Bisa kamu jelaskan?
Saya buat tulisannya, ma'am, huruf besar semua. Kayak ma'am bilang tadi kan harus warna merah ya supaya lebih menarik perhatian. Jadi hurufnya saya bikin warna merah. Terus kan kalimatnya kan cuci tangan gitu kan, ma'am. Ya udah saya ambil gambar yang ada tangannya.
Oke.
Gitu. Terus sebelum masuk ruangan. Jadi kayak tangan itu macam ngelarang itu, nggak boleh masuk ruangan sebelum cuci tangan. Nah, gitu kira-kira, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you very much, Soraya. So, if I ask you, what is the social function of your notice? Apa social functions dari notice kamu?
Untuk menginformasikan ke orang-orang, to inform, ma'am, to inform.
Okay. Thank you, Soraya. Right, class. Very good. Okay. So, Soraya, don't forget to post your notice in our Facebook group and then also our blog, ya kan? Yang lain juga nanti Bella dan Rahel.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Please post your notice. I will see. Okay, class. So, I have seen the result of your first, second, and third. Jadi sebagai bahan penilaian, okay, ma'am akan berikan nilai untuk worksheet yang pertama, grup yang tadi pertama, grup 1. Ma'am tadi lihat secara kerjasama diskusinya sudah baik, saling berdiskusi, mendiskusikan materinya juga sudah baik, setiap individu saling berdiskusi dengan baik to find the result, So I give the score of your effective, nilai sikapnya untuk grup 1 memberikan nilainya 85, right, and then for the group 2 also I see, that all of you, have collaborated, in solving the problem. Nilai sikapnya juga sama 85, Group 3 and group 4, Tadi melihat ada beberapa yang diam, tidak terlalu aktif, berarti kerjasamanya kurang baik, Tapi ma'am tetap berikan nilainya itu 83. And then for the first worksheet, untuk worksheet yang pertama tadi, untuk analysis, generic structure, social function, dan juga language features-nya, what you have said correct, yang dituliskan tadi, yang ma'am the third, ya kan, sudah mengerjakan worksheet pertama, worksheet kedua, dan worksheet ketiga, so I students, that's all, about worksheet 3. Tadi sudah memberikan nilainya untuk setiap grup. Now, I want you to conclude what we have learned today. Siapa yang bisa menyimpulkan pembelajaran kita hari ini? Yes, please.
Saya.
Yes, please, Natasha.
I like our generic structure.
Generic structure. Coba ulang, sayang. Generic structure.
Ini sangat berguna, ma'am.
Language features.
Di era pandemi ini sangat berguna, ma'am.
So the generic structure-nya kata si Natasha, attention gather and information, and then learning notice is very important. Apalagi nak yang bisa kamu simpulkan? Language features-nya?
Uses in the factor or the declarative.
Language features-nya menggunakan imperative and declarative. So it is correct. So notice is a sign, that is placed in a public area to inform or to command. There are 2 generic structures, attention gather, and then information, and then the social function to inform, to command, and to forbid. Very good. Sepertinya sudah paham semuanya. Any questions? Ada yang mau ditanyakan? Is
Tidak,
that clear? Jelas?
Jelas.
Okay, so class, if you have understood about the lesson, before we leave our Zoom meeting, okay, please lead our prayer. Siapa yang mau bawa doa kita sekarang? Yes, please. Okay, yes, please.
Saya Ma'am.
Okay, yes, please, Novita.
Let us pray.
Okay.
Amen.
Okay, thank you. So thank you very much, students, for today. I hope you understand about the topic of notice. Okay, Mem harap semua hari ini mengerti tentang topik notice yang sudah kita bahas. So next meeting, okay, next meeting we will learn about personal recount. Jadi minggu depan kita akan belajar tentang personal recount. Jadi thank you so much for today. You may leave our Zoom meeting. Kalian sudah bisa meninggalkan meeting kita hari ini.